Hey, first-time homeschoolers, I'm sure you're probably in the same boat as me if you have landed here. Um, it is easy to be overwhelmed with all the suggestions and all the things out there. So I just wanted to share one thing that I felt led to do. I have listened to a lot of podcasts and things about morning baskets, and I am struggling to find structure and routine in our day-to-day. And so I just wanted to share with you something that worked really well this morning and that I think we're going to continue. I am a frugal mommy, one who does not want to spend a lot of money, but does want to spend a lot of quality time with her kids, but also have some sweet moments by myself to sip my coffee and just enjoy quiet and think about all the things that are good in life without having to parent 100% of the time. And so I just wanted to share with you some things that we are going to start incorporating into our morning routine called our morning basket. So this will happen sometime after breakfast and before our 10 o'clock snack time. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to learn about just how to track what month it is, what day it is. Most preschool and kindergarten curriculums have, or most classrooms have something in there about the days of the week, the months of the year, knowing what day it is, and orientation and all that kind of thing. We got this wonderful Cityscapes calendar from State Farm for free. And we are actually on Atlanta, Georgia, which is where my family just moved, just right outside Atlanta. And my son loves to cross out the days and know what day. So we use this time to sing about the days of the week